Pickled cabbage is a fermented food that has many benefits. It is nothing more than preserved and fermented cabbage. It is eaten all over the world, although it is a typical dish of German cooking. The fermentation technique consists of changing the chemistry of foods, and it produces probiotic fermentation, well known for improving the immune system, digesting and absorbing foods, contributing to cognitive functions, improving hormone performance, and also making your skin prettier. The fermentation process takes about 7 days, which increases its vitamin C content by bacterial activity, which also produces B vitamins and B-complex enzymes. B-complex vitamins play an important role in keeping our bodies working as precisely modified machines. You can eat pickled cabbage alone or with some bread, rice and other dishes. Do you like learning how to make homemade pickled cabbage? Cabbage. 1 tablespoon of sea salt, take 4 whole leaves to use, set them aside for a later time, then chop all cabbage in very fine slices with a sharp knife or mandolin. Place all cabbage in a large bowl, add salt and massage the cabbage for 10 minutes, or until it starts to release water and change colors. Make sure the bowl is large enough so that you can rub the salt in all of the cabbage slices without making a mess. After doing this, place the cabbage in a bowl with a wide opening, and press all the slices at the bottom of the bottle, removing all the air trapped between the cabbage pieces, until all the liquid is on top. You will notice some bubbles on the surface. Cabbage should be completely immersed in liquid. Next, cover the mixture with the leaves you laid aside earlier, and press down on it. Close the cap, but leave it somewhat loose so that the fermentation gas can escape. If you like it, you can use a voile cloth to cover the bottle instead. Leave the mixture outside the refrigerator for 3 to 7 days, in a dark, warm place. Make sure it's warm, not hot. Some recipes require you to wait for 1 to 4 weeks, but they depend on the temperature. There's no secret of knowing when pickled cabbage is ready, it depends on your preferences. The longer the fermentation period, the more vinegar. The color and the smell can also change. But after a week, you can taste it to see if it really is what you want. When the sauerkraut is ready, just remove the voile cloth, close the bottle with a lid, and put it in the refrigerator. Once in the fridge, it can last up to 2 months.